As a lawyer, Murray Greason specializes in acquisitions, divestitures, and mergers law. He gives his clients the benefit of more than 4 decades of experience in law. Mr. Greason started off his career with a particularly strong education. He earned a Bachelor of Science and a JD from Wake Forest University, earning magna cum laude honors with both degrees. In recent years, Mr. Greason has entered semi-retirement. While he no longer leads cases, he is nevertheless available to staff to provide invaluable advice and counsel as a result of his extensive experience. In the time that he was practicing fully, Mr. Greason served as lead counsel for more than 100 cases, involving transactions ranging from under $100,000 to nearly $1 billion. Mr. Greason's first position after college was as an associate with Womble, Carlisle, Sandridge & Rice, PLLC, which he began in 1965. He would eventually become a member of the firm, and he remains there to this day. He became a managing partner of the firm in 1988. Mr. Greason served as the president of the Winston-Salem Estate Planning Council in 1973. He was a trustee of Wake Forest University in 1990, and he advanced through the roles of vice chairman, chairman, and life trustee of the university. He became chairman of the Northwest North Carolina chapter of the American Red Cross in 1996, having served as chairman of the board of United Way, Forsyth County in 1995. In addition, Mr. Greason has served as a member of the board of directors for the Winston-Salem Alliance, ID Alliance, Wake Forest University Health Sciences, Wake Forest University Baptist Medical Center, and Wake Forest Innovation Quarters. Mr. Greason considers himself to be a deal maker first and foremost. He never burns bridges and always seeks out the shortest distance between two opposing points of view in order to find common ground and craft a deal that benefits both parties. He focuses on results rather than relying on dogmatic processes that may not apply to specific situations. As a result, his services are bespoke to each individual case that he takes on. Clients with whom Mr. Greason has worked include Unify, Sara Lee, Lane, and Burlington Industries. He also represented the Adams Millis Corporation as it was in the process of being acquired by Sara Lee. Mr. Greason has been an active participant in hundreds of mergers, acquisitions, and corporate reorganization transactions. He represented RMC Industries as it was acquiring a series of closely held cement block companies, and he also worked with the acquisition of several closely held newspaper companies. And he represented the Wachovia Corporation in the acquisition of First Atlanta Bank and South Carolina National Corporation. In years to come, Mr. Greason hopes to leave his legacy to those who will come after him. He strives to serve as a positive example and a high benchmark for achievement for other legal professionals to aspire to.